Good morning, my ladies and my gents. Happy Sunday. I'm going to see if I can do this quick update on the Eastbound and Down group build. And I'm trying to keep it below 10 minutes, and it's just not working. I think this is like take 8 or 9. So anyway, what I got going on? I've got the Dodge L700 Shell tanker from Lindberg. Um, and yeah, got the Just as an update, I'm not going to go through everything and every little bit. That's what's taken me so long. Fuel tanks, I got them painted red with yellow brackets and a black cap. I've got over here, I've got some, let me see if I can zoom that just a little. Gas only to go on the fuel tank. So, because they did make, in the later years, they did make these as diesel as well. Cab, I've got one door more or less in place. It's tight. It's hard to open and close. It will. I got the Tamiya chrome on the badging, and then I put a coat of not Tamiya chrome, Molotov chrome, and then I put a coat of Tamiya X22 clear gloss acrylic over the top. And the one problem with the clear gloss is that it tends to dissolve the Tamiya ink or the Molotov ink. I'm getting them confused. The Molotov ink. And I'm going to have to go and hit that again because they're kind of dissolved it. But I did get that on there, and it does look pretty good glossed up. The yellow looks particularly good glossed up. So, but a couple of problems. I'm going to have to take this off and redo it. It interferes with the hinge, and it's you can see it's way crooked. So that's going to come off. That's going to be redone, reglued. I may even put a little bit of styrene behind it to give it a bit better mount because it's running flat up against the front of the interior bucket. So, but yeah, that's gonna have to work on that. This side, you can already see here the hinge is starting to get white where it's bending a little bit, and that's getting to be very delicate, and it's going to break off. Next time I put this door on, I'm going to glue it open because it is sprung a bit and I cannot get it to shut right. It winds up doing all kinds of goofy stuff, so I'm going to glue it open. But yeah, that is what it is. Overall, it looks pretty good though. Oops, I like that paint scheme. Uh, Mirror brackets, got them painted yellow. Got them covered up with a nice coat of clear over it. Really makes them look good. Stands out. Used Molotov chrome on the mirror brackets. Needs another coat to make it just really stand out. Of course, the mirror brackets, that's going to look good. Instead of them being red, they're going to be yellow. So got that. Got the rear end stuff here going. I need to cut. I'm going to cut the mirror bracket, the license plate holder off of the tail light, and actually glue it underneath here. It wants you to do it upright like this back here, which will then put that license plate holder up. All the better to catch the trailer to catch it. So no, not going to do that. Need to put a little bit of the clear red over the chrome, and of course I got the front license plate there. So there's that. The Christmas tree for the uh, airlines, and so got that done. Got the little things that glue onto the end of the hoses. Got them taken care of. Actually, give you some ugly clear tubing for it. I've got some black that I'm going to use. But so yeah, I got some of this clear tubing that I got from, I don't know, some kit, and they give you this mess. Yeah, no. Got some decals. Of course, I got the Shell decals that go on the trailer. I'm going to use the red because I've got the top half of it painted yellow. That goes on the back. And I'm not sure yet if I'm going to use these or if I'm going to use the placards or if I'm going to use both. I haven't yet decided. I haven't made up my mind yet. It hasn't told me. Decals for the rest of it, I've got some uh, scroll work that may go on the cab somewhere along in here. I haven't decided yet if I want to. It hasn't quite told me yet. I'm going to be working on decals and getting things cleaned up and that kind of thing today. License plate. Of course, I already talked about the gas. This is from the 359 Pete, the Revell kit with the opening doors. I did that a while back. Texas plate because, hey, I'm in Texas. I'm a Texan. Deal with it. uh, bingo plate for the fuel tax deals for they've got them for Louisiana. I'm not really quite sure. I can't quite make out what this just printed blob wise on there. But being in Texas, he might go to Louisiana, he might go to Arkansas, he might go to Oklahoma, he might go over to New Mexico, might even go to Colorado. So he's got some bingos for various states surrounding. Of course, I got an American flag. This company names their trucks, they don't number them. And this one is the Crow. And I didn't see the conversation. No, Jimmy, you're going to be running the Crow today. Oh, man, I wanted the Red Baron. Well, the Red Baron's a 3-axle truck, and old John, he's got a heavier load that's got to go a bit further, and he needs to run the 3-axle. So he's going to run the Red Baron. You're going to run the Crow. You don't like it, you can leave. Well, fine. Yeah. Anyway, trailer. I have got this is an STS decal. Um, Caution wide turns. He's got 2 of these. He's got a couple of them that have the figure of the truck making a right turn and the figure of the truck making a left turn. And they come in white and they come in yellow. That's at STS decals. This came off of a dump truck. Caution, stay back. I've got some high vis tape I'm going to put on the back of the trailer. And I've got the Gadsden flag for the fun of it, and I've got an American flag to go up on the trailer along with the Shell decal here that's going to go up top. So that's what I got going on. Yeah. Hey, I'm actually doing good. Quick talk about vcgresins.com before I finish up here. Be sure and go check them out. Sign up for the newsletter, bottom of the page, homepage. Sign up. You get informed when you get notified when new products come out. You get go over there, go shopping. He's got a couple of pages with stuff that is currently out of stock. He's got them all in one spot. Go scrolling through that. If you find stuff that you want, be sure and hit the notify me button. That also tells Josh that he needs to get on the stick and maybe do some of these. Hint, hint. Anyway, when you do go shopping, you need to go find some stuff. You've got all kinds of nifty things, including some cool engines. When you go to checkout, be sure and use promo code Jester10 to save 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is about $6, which is really cheap considering how well he packs stuff. Now, if you do order over $100 worth, you can get shipping for free. So, a little bit of an incentive. And if you use the promo code Jester10, you can get a little bit more. And hey, so anyway, go ahead and do that. Check them out. If you like what you're seeing, please hit that like button. If you want to see more of this ridiculous, commentary, and listen to this old fart rattle on about all of his, whoop-de-doo, whatever. If you want to listen to me rattle on more, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it tells the algorithms to send this stuff more often to your feed, and you get to listen to this old fart a little bit more. And Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Good or bad. Please don't tell me I'm stupid. Tell me why I'm stupid. And if you happen to not like something and you hit that dislike button, please let me know why you don't like it. Because if I'm doing something that consistently people don't like, I don't know unless y'all tell me. So leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Uh, got questions, got comments, got suggestions, got criticisms. By golly, let me know. I'll try to answer every single person. So anyway, I'm going on a little bit more than 10 minutes. And so I'm going to go 10-10 on the side. B-Tex signing out.